Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this lipstick from the brand Context Skin. I have it here in the shade Hide Your Heart, and this is a product I got in my February 2022 Ipsy glam bag, which I have that unbagging video up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. So I am new to this brand Context Skin, but I have really been enjoying the products that I've tried so far. It's a clean beauty brand. This product is vegan, cruelty-free. It retails for $20, which to me is very expensive for a lipstick, so we're going to see if it's really worth that price. It's a soft matte lipstick that helps nourish, comfort, and hydrate lips while delivering long-lasting, non-drying color, which sounds amazing because I have very dry lips, so we are going to be able to put those claims to the test. So here is what the shade looks like. It's a really pretty mauve classic lipstick shade. I always feel like something looks like a classic shade when it matches the lipsticks in the poster behind me. But let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, okay. Very pigmented, true to color, looks really pretty, not very matte. This is a matte lipstick, right? It looks creamy. Yeah, it's a matte lipstick, but I would not describe the finish, at least the way it looks on my hand, as matte. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my lips. Oh gosh. See, this is why I almost always wear a lip liner, because I am so messy at applying my lipstick. Okay, gonna try my best here. But it is extremely pigmented. You seriously get that full opaque color from one swipe. It has this nice point to it with the shape and like a curved top as well. So it's pretty easy to get it in the right shape, but I also, oh, I still had some on my finger. Okay. But as I was saying, I have such small lips too, so trying to fit it in the right shape in my lips. A little bit of a mess, but that is user error. Ooh, this is such a pretty shade though. Very flattering, very easy to wear because it's not too like bright in your face of a shade, but so pretty. It definitely amps up the makeup look and the lips, but in a very easy to wear way, which I'm always looking for with my lip products, because I do still feel a little self-conscious if I'm wearing a bold lip, and I would not describe this as a bold lip. As for that matte finish, it to me really looks like a classic creamy lipstick type of finish. Not drying at all. The chapped areas and dry look to my lips are completely gone. This really is moisturizing and nourishing like it claims, which I am so happy to see. So happy with this color. So happy with this lipstick. I was thinking I would be because I have tried out Context Skin lipsticks before, and this one is just as good. So I'm really happy to be expanding my collection of these. Now with these classic bullet lipsticks, I do expect some transfer, so let's see how much. Yeah, that is a lot of transfer. But then looking at how completely perfectly intact my lipstick still is, that is really impressive, and that's what I like to see. Even with all of that transfer, it still looks perfect. So even though it's going to be transferring onto your cups and anything your lips touch, your lipstick is still going to be looking good for a long time. And I love that I don't feel like I need a lip gloss on top of this or a lip balm underneath for it to be completely comfortable and moisturizing. Like seriously, a fantastic formula. So I clearly love this. I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it and what are your favorite context skin products that you've tried, because like I was saying, really like this brand and I definitely want to try out even more. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.